Wake Up and the Morning Blend. Every day we look at the market from a blend of different TAs and take a peek at the news. Welcome to episode 3. Now, being the third episode, I am still working on the workflow, the structure of the show, and the content. This episode, we're going to look into the fact that we might have already been front run. And most likely we're going to see some continuance in the upward movement of Bitcoin. And in the news, Walmart has filed a patent for a stablecoin. All right, time for the disclaimer. I am not a financial advisor and this is not financial advice. Do your own due diligence and research as this market is highly volatile. I do admit I am not a TA expert, but I do utilize the best TA of the market in my opinion. And this shows my interpretations of their opinions and in no way replaces their in-depth look into the market. So in today's blend, we have the market expert who has great experience in traditional markets. We have the fundamental optimist, who is a great barometer of sentiment, and the savvy trader who has excellent trade setups. All right, well, let's get into the blend. So today's market cap is 286 billion. Bitcoin dominance is 66.1. And now let's look at our TA. Now our market expert says the daily is looking good. Now we closed above the 21 exponential moving average. And also the 12-hour and the daily stochastic are lining up. And most likely looks like continuation. Now, is 8,500 still a possibility? Well, we're not out of the woods yet. Things still do point to that region, but if we do hold above 13,000, we can consider that gap front-runned and filled. Now, our fundamental optimist also is a little bit bullish. Now, on the 4-hour, we have broken the EMA ribbon, and we're looking towards 12K. There are some resistances. 10,600 is a minor resistance. Major resistance lines up at 11,200 and 11,700. Now it is a probable rejection point, but we will probably visit that area. Now in order to confirm a trend reversal, we do have to get a higher low, but that is going to take some time. Now our savvy trader, who's a little bit more pessimistic, wants more volume to come into the market to see the break or the failure of support and resistance. And he also views the halving of Litecoin to basically be a sell-off event, which will affect the Bitcoin market. Now, whether it affects it positively or negatively, that will have to be seen. But again, we need to wait for the volume to see which way the market is going to go. On to the news. So today, Walmart has applied for a cryptocurrency patent, which does have similarities to Facebook's LibreCoin. Now, Walmart wants to have their digital currency tied to a regular currency, which is what we call a stablecoin. Now, in their patent application, Walmart states, using a digital currency, low-income households that find banking expensive may have an alternative way to handle wealth at an institution that can supply the majority of their day-to-day financial and product needs. Oh, man. So basically, I see a battle right now. Walmart wants to control currency and what products you have. Now, Facebook wants to control your currency and what data you have. Now, Walmart also stated a person is, quote, the credit card to their own digital value bank. And they also state that they'll be using biometrics, fingerprints, or eye pattern. Now, I don't know about you, but this sounds like the beginning of a dystopian future novel. Now, the crypto market has had problems with the stablecoin Tether. Now, if Walmart entered the market with a large user base and very liquid stablecoin, we could find our new Tether. The only problem is there has been a correlation between the printing of Tether and Bitcoin's price. Now, if Walmart was to take over that stablecoin's position, Walmart itself would be able to affect the Bitcoin price through the printing of their stablecoin. Now, it's too early to see if Walmart's actually going to produce this stablecoin or if Facebook beats them to the market. I do believe that both companies will most likely have to bow to the decentralized nature of Bitcoin. All in all, I do view this as a positive event in the crypto market. All right, folks, thank you for joining me for episode 3, August 2nd, 2019. I most likely will probably assemble all the news clips together to create a weekly update, but that will do it till Monday. Again, it is a new channel, so feel free to leave comments and suggestions. Thank you again. Have a great weekend. See you back on Monday.